What is up, Mr. Crazy 1870, and we're looking at the Google Nest Audio. So this is available, I believe, in 4 different colors. You got charcoal, chalk, sage, sand, and sky. And I believe this is the charcoal color, which looks pretty dope, along with the other colors as well. In the box, you're gonna get the Nest itself. You're gonna get your usual standard paperwork, and last but not least, you also get your power adapter. Now this doesn't have a built-in battery, so everything is the whole power is gonna be via this cable right here. So here it is, the Google Nest and all of its glory. It's a pretty nice, good size. I could see this standing somewhere in my living room, maybe even under my TV or something like that. And it just looks like a minimal design that will blend in with obviously your living room. Now this is made out of, I believe, 70% recycled plastic material. Here at the bottom, you do have some rubberized grip material. So if you place this on your countertop with the music and all that, the vibration and all that, it's not gonna move or bounce around all over your countertop. That's what that base and rubber grip is for. So here in the back, you do have the power input. That's where your connector is gonna go. And you also have your mute switch, which I will demonstrate that in just one bit. All right, so here we are, all hooked up and ready to go. I thought I was gonna say something, but it's not. So we have it hooked up via the power adapter right here. So this doesn't have a built-in battery. Your power is gonna be via the included cable. You also have your mic switch here at the rear end.
The mic's back on. The mic's off. The mic's back on.
All right, so I have my iPad right here. So we're gonna go ahead and launch Google Home really quick. That way I can kind of just show you a couple of the functions. Now, you're able to hook up obviously Netflix, Spotify, and a couple other different types of services. You can hook up your Arlo. I would show you guys the Arlo process. I don't have my TV hooked up via the right connections that I need to have it in order for my Arlo setup to be hooked up to my TV. If not, I will show you guys. So, hey Google, what time is it?
3:42.
Hey Google, when do the Lakers play again?
The Lakers' next game is today at 4:30 p.m., where they will be playing the Heat.
Ooh, shout out to all my Laker fans. We're gonna go ahead and close this out. Hopefully today. It's gonna be a good game though. So, what's the weather for today? Hey Google, what's the weather today?
Today in San Bernardino, it'll be clear, with a forecasted high of 83 and a low of 61.
Hey
It's
Google,
currently 80.
what's the weather for the week?
Today in San Bernardino, it'll be clear, with a forecasted high of 83 and a low of 61. Tomorrow through Saturday, it'll be sunny, with highs around 96 and lows around 62.
Hey Google, when do the Dodgers play?
The Dodgers will face off against the Braves tomorrow at 5:08 p.m.
Hey Google, when do the Rams play?
On October 18th, the Rams will play the 49ers at Levi's Stadium at 5:20 p.m.
Shout out to all my Rams and Dodger fans and Laker fans out there. It's going to be a pretty interesting season. Hey Google, remind me to buy flowers next week.
Sorry, I can only set reminders for a specific point in time. What time do you want to be reminded?
8 a.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 8 a.m.
Hey Google, Never mind. So I'm gonna go ahead and
The mic's off.
shut off the mic really quick. So
By the way, the mic's off. To turn it back on, slide the switch on the back of this
okay.
device.
Yeah, I know. Thank you. I appreciate you. Now, so I'm not gonna be able to play some music or kind of just give you guys a sound demo for the simple fact that obviously if I play Spotify or I play any other music streaming service, it's gonna create problems within the whole YouTube channel, and I'm really not trying to get into all that. But I was testing it out, and it really does fill up my whole living room with sound. So it really does sound good. It has a pretty good bass to it, pretty good highs, and most important, it just really, you know, fills up my whole living room. And I have a pretty large living room with, you know, with a pretty good amount of sound, you know, for everybody to enjoy. I think also if I were to have this like in the kitchen or something like that, I would most definitely hear it all the way towards my living room. So sound quality is also pretty good. I mean, it works good. But for $100, I think it's a really good deal for what you get. And obviously, if you use Google Home for, you know, all the other features that it has to offer, like you know, Netflix, and you have your whole Google Home set up, this is definitely something that you could really, you know, take advantage when it comes to, you know, all your services within Google Home. And within Google Home, there's a lot of other options that you can set up as well. You can also hook up two of these and have both of these working at the same time to create more of a sound, and so on and so forth. So that is the Google Nest Audio. A quick little demo, quick little look and first thoughts on, you know, the Google Nest. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments section down below. It kind of sucks that I really can't, you know, play for you guys a little something.
By the way, the mic's off. To turn it back on, slide the switch on the back of this device.
Thank you. That way you guys could hear the sound quality. But for the most part, when I played it, I was really content and really happy. And, you know, like I said, it's really not all that pricey, $100. And it will get you this device right here that is fully featured and fully functional. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section below. Don't forget to check out the 2 latest videos. Check out the site, LooneyTechTV.com. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.